Acupuncture, a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine, has been used for thousands of years to treat various conditions, including obesity. It focuses on restoring the body's energy flow, or qi, to achieve balance. By inserting tiny needles into specific points on the body, acupuncture stimulates qi flow and corrects imbalances. This holistic approach addresses the root causes of weight gain, such as hormonal imbalances and poor digestion. Acupuncture can help regulate metabolism, reduce cravings, and improve digestion. It also aids in balancing hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and satiety. Additionally, acupuncture's stress-relieving effects can curb emotional eating. For effective weight management, acupuncture is often combined with other holistic practices like herbal medicine, food therapy, and lifestyle adjustments. Integrating acupuncture with a healthy diet and regular exercise enhances long-term weight control. To maximize the benefits of acupuncture for weight control, it's crucial to find a qualified acupuncturist experienced in treating weight-related issues. This ensures a safe and effective treatment tailored to your needs.